The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, cold weather package, CD player. Come see the car for yourself.